What's up, you guys? I am doing another vlog. I'm so proud of myself. We're on a roll. I'm actually finishing a video up right now for my main channel. I'm filming some of the B-roll clips right now. I'm getting it done. If my eyeshadow looks a little funky, that's why. I got a lot of stuff going on my eyes today. But that's what I got going on. Finishing up this video, and then I gotta go through my makeup collection. You guys loved the last time I decluttered, so I'm gonna declutter again to the max and start packing up my makeup collection for this move. So we're moving in like almost a week, a little more than a week. It's getting very nerve-wracking trying to get all this work done, but that's what we're doing today, so let's go. Okay guys, so I just got done filming for today, and now on to my makeup. I know there's like a huge roll of bubble wrap back here. My house is becoming a mess because of this move. So last time I did a huge declutter. I got rid of a lot of stuff in my collection, and it's time to go through it again. I was looking back and I realized it was like 6 months ago or 7 months ago, and I was like, oh my goodness, time to do another one. The thing is, I'm getting rid of this before the move, and I want to get a new vanity, like a smaller one that's going to go in our bedroom. So I want to take everything out of this drawer, and I'm going to pack up all this stuff today and just leave out stuff that I'm going to use for like the next week or so. So I want to pack up everything and then move all of this makeup into here, and this is going to be like my backups and extra makeup, and I keep my everyday makeup out usually, and then if I want something else different on a certain day, I'll go digging for it in my drawers. So everything needs to go in here, and this I'll probably keep in like my closet or something once we move. Okay, so in here is all my face stuff. So let's start with the foundations, and I'm seriously just gonna get rid of everything that I haven't used. So Chanel foundation, haven't used. This is a Giorgio Armani. I do like this one because it's good when I'm super pale. I haven't used this BB cream. L'Oreal True Match, I still do use that. Smashbox. I'm going to keep the Smashbox one. This Benefit one is a nice lightweight foundation, so I'm going to keep that since I got rid of the BB cream. I'm going to get rid of this NYX Honey Do Me Up. Primer oil. I'm going to keep this primer oil. I do like it. I don't even know. This is a Neutrogena primer. I have so many primers. I just need to get rid of some. Smashbox Color Correcting Blend. I'll keep this primer and this one. I'm gonna keep this Joyair one. This MAC one, everyone talked about this and I got it. I just don't like it. I think it's very stick, and it kind of sticks to all your dry spots, and it's also very dark on me, so I have to be super tan to wear that. A NYX Matte Finishing Spray. Don't really use this. I used to use this all the time. It doesn't have tons left, but I'm gonna get rid of it because I just haven't reached for it. And same with this Cover FX. I don't know. This is just kind of annoying for me to use, honestly. I don't like to mix anything with, I mean, you're supposed to mix stuff with this, but it's just a pain in the butt. So I'm gonna get rid of that as well. So down to a couple here. I have 3 different shades of foundation, a light one, medium, a darker one, and then a lightweight one, and then some primers, and that's also a foundation as well. Okay, we're gonna move on over here. I have my Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is a Neutrogena one. And then I have this one. Okay, so I don't need to keep all of these. I haven't used this Bare Minerals. This is a pigment powder. It doesn't have tons left. I did use a lot of it, but I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that. I have a brand new Hoola bronzer. I'm almost out of my one that I'm using now, so I'm gonna keep that. I always use that bronzer. And I will also keep this one. This is a pretty, like, this Too Faced shimmery bronzer. So those are my 2 bronzers, down to those. Powders, this is a pretty dark powder, so I'm gonna get rid of this Benefit one. I'm gonna keep the Fit Me and keep the Neutrogena. Maybe I could like condense some of these down together. So now I also need to get rid of a lot of my blushes. Like I said, I'm really downsizing here. This is like a e.l.f. It has like a cream contour and blush. I'm gonna get rid of that. This is nice. I'm gonna keep that. I like this little set. Same with this one. I do like the variety in it. This CoverGirl one is nice for the fall. This Kate McNabb, this is kind of like a corally color, and so is this one from Benefit. So I'm just gonna keep the Benefit one and then get rid of this one. I have a Tarte blush, which is really nice and natural. And then this e.l.f. one is also nice and natural, but I have so many just like natural ones. I'm just gonna go ahead and get rid of this one and keep the Tarte. This should be with my powders. It's just a translucent powder. I'm gonna keep that. I love these Smashbox blushes. I have this one and another one that I'm currently using and trying to work through. So I'm gonna keep that one. And then I think I've had this MAC one forever. I just never reach for it. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get rid of that. All right, we're gonna move on to our highlights over here. I haven't used a primer for my eyeshadow and I don't even know how long, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that. I haven't used this either. I do have another like champagne color highlighter, so I'm going to get rid of that one. I do love this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, so I'll keep that. This ColourPop one is really pretty. It has like a pretty purple sheen to it, so that's cool and fun. High Beam, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this. I've had it for so long. It is honestly probably bad by now. And then, what is this? Ooh, this is a really pretty one. I'm gonna keep that one. This one also is a very pretty like pink tone, so I'll keep that. I'm gonna keep this one, my Becca highlighter. It's pretty new, so let's see. This one is just like gorgeous. And then this is a little palette back here with two like really pretty highlights. So I'm gonna keep those. So then we have our brow products. Let me set that somewhere. Too Faced Brow Envy Kit. I honestly, you know, I hate getting rid of like high-end products. It kills me, but I mean, I'm giving this to like family, friends, whoever wants it. And so I just don't reach for powdered eyeshadows. Honestly, I use my Brow Wiz or something similar like No Tomorrow. This is just another powder one, so I'm also going to get rid of that. This is a clear brow gel, so I'm going to keep this one for when I run out of the one I'm currently using. This one, I think this Benefit brow pencil is the one I didn't care for. I'm going to give it one more chance once I run out of my Brow Wiz and see if I like it. I like their one with a more defined point on it. This one has a little thicker one, so it's not as good for like, you know what, I'm going to get rid of this one. This one is nice, has a nice thin tip like I like, so I will keep that as a backup. And then I just have this little Benefit spoolie one, so I will keep that one as well. We got down to 3, so that's pretty good. All right, we have our concealer. This is a Kate McNabb one. This I've had for years, so I think it's expired. I'm gonna finish up this MAC one. It only has a little bit left. I should probably finish that. This I've also had for an extremely long time. It's probably bad by now. Amazing Cosmetics concealer. I love their concealers. I'm using like the past 2 concealers I've used are from them, so that's nice. I'll definitely keep that one. I'll also keep this Benefit one. Erase paste. This has a very thick texture for me, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that one. And I'm also going to get rid of my Bare Minerals. This is a powder one. I don't really like reach for that as a concealer, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. Okay, so I put my concealers with my foundations and primers. I put my blushes and highlighters together. I put my powders and bronzers, and then I just have my brow products. And then I have 1, 2 empty containers that I could use now for, I don't know, maybe my desk or something. All right, here we go. And here I have a extra mascara and a highlighter, and then in here I have some extra liquid liners in different fun colors. In here are all my pencils. Okay, here's a brand new pencil from Neutrogena, but I am never gonna be able to go through all these. So let me just kind of thin out what I have. Keep this one. I love the Urban Decay 24/7 pencils. This is a brown one from Sigma. This blue one I will probably never use. Makeup Forever black pencil. There's another black pencil from Ofra. Gold one from NYX. You know, I don't really use these nude liners anymore, so I'll get rid of that. This is a pretty purple one from NYX. And a brown one. Okay, I have a bunch of brown ones here. What's this one? This is an Ofra. This is an eyebrow pencil. Okay, I don't really like pencils like that, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of it. I kept another purpley color. I'm gonna get rid of this one. I'm gonna keep this grayish brown color, black color. White, I also probably will not use that. This is another grayish. Okay, I'm gonna keep that one. This is a green color. I'm gonna get rid of this green one because I have this green one here. And then I have this more vibrant purple. So I will keep those. So here are the ones I got rid of. Last time I went through this in my last decluttered, I got rid of all the dried out ones. So I know these are still good. So I'm gonna keep those and get rid of these. Okay, you know what? I rarely reach for these, hardly ever. So unless the color is super pretty, I'm going to keep it. Like some of these pretty peachy colors and brown colors, I'm gonna keep. But the rest, I mean, that's a pretty glitter. And like, I don't think I've ever used this. So I keep saying it's so pretty and then I never use it. So I'm going to just get rid of those. So I like this NARS one, but this, I just don't really reach for these colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this one. Okay, so I just went through, I got rid of a ton of these before, but let me just see. I think I'll use this white pigment or like this silver pigment. I don't really reach for a lot of pigments. Both of these are like very similar, so I'm gonna keep this one. I think I like it a little bit more. I'm gonna keep that. Then I have those there. Okay, my lipsticks, this is where I need to purge a lot just because I really don't wear that much lipstick anymore. I'm gonna get rid of this one. Just going off color. That's super light. I'm gonna get rid of these. Like, I like these pretty nude ones. Those are nice. And I like to keep a few of like my favorite colors, like bolder colors. But a lot of these, I don't know. I need to start pulling them onto my desk and wearing them more is what I need to do. Like I said, these I haven't worn. I think I've had these since high school. I haven't probably worn them since then either. So I'm gonna get rid of them. That's a pretty nude color. I went through a phase where I was like obsessed with purple lipsticks. That's a pretty bright color. This one, I'm gonna get rid of that one. I really like these party proof ones. They're pretty, they're good quality. Okay, keep those. I'm gonna keep my YSL ones. This Kate McNabb. That's a pretty like nude brown color. That's almost identical to this one. Let's see. Pretty close. I'll keep this one. I'm gonna get rid of this NYX one because it's older. I've kept a couple of the crazy NYX macaroon lipsticks. Just because they're fun to play around with. And then I have this one as well. I'll keep that. We got rid of a lot more. Maybe eventually I will get down to one little thing of lipsticks. I'm just really trying to use up everything of what I have. And then here we have our lip glosses. This is what I kind of ignored last time. As you could tell, I don't even know where to start with this. So I'm just gonna keep the ones that I know I like. I don't wanna go through, I don't know, there's just so many. So I ended up actually going through all the lipsticks I was unsure about, and that way I could get rid of more and know that everything I have, that I really like the way it looks. So I did some reconfiguring, so I'll show you guys what we're left with. I was able to empty out this drawer. Now I just need to clean it up. And then basically I reorganized everything in here. So I put all my face stuff in this top drawer, moved some containers around and was able to get everything to fit. Then I have all my eye pencils and eyeshadows. I just had to combine all these into one instead of two. Then down here I still have my lipsticks. I probably could have made better use of this drawer. I'm not sure what to do with all these extra containers as of now. But then I went through, I have all my lip glosses now and lip liners, and then these are all of my lip stains. So I have those, and then down here, this was just kind of like an extra drawer, so I have like all my little tools, some eyelashes, some like disposable stuff, some extra brushes, a little makeup bag, stuff like that. Pretty much just that. So that is what we're left with. And then over here is the huge bag of makeup that I will be sending along to my family to go through. You guys, I am so exhausted. So this is what it looks like now. I packed up all my stuff on top of it. This one just has some random stuff over there. But packed all this up. It's completely empty. So I'm trying to sell it. I've been editing all day and just working and packing, and I am exhausted. My back's fried. So I think I'm going to call it a night for the vlog. Mostly just a decluttering vlog, but you guys seem to like those. And yeah, I'm gonna go pack up like my dresser now and start on that. So wish me luck, and I will see you guys soon for probably like a closet declutter. That's what these next couple vlogs are gonna be, like packing, moving, decluttering, new apartment, all of that stuff. So get ready for it because it's coming, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.